Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Language Booster TV. I am your teacher Ahik, and this is Language Booster TV, the YouTube channel which helps you to learn three languages.
ushaka kuvuga ngo ndi kurya ibitoki,
ndi kurya ibishyimbo, ndi kurya. Mu byandi magambo ndi kurya wabivuga ngo iki? Ndi kunywa amata. Ndi kunywa amata in English wabivuga ngo iki? Ndi kwiga icyongereza wabivuga ngo iki mu cyongereza? Turi kuririmba wabivuga ngo isomo riraza kugufasha kumenya kuvuga ibintu ibikorwa urimo ukora. Ubu tuvugana ukora iki? Yes, gerageza umbwire. I would like to visit you on Sunday. Okay, I'm waiting. Ndategereje. Ndategereje. I'm looking forward. Mbihanze amaso. I'm looking forward. Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Language Booster TV. I am your teacher Ahik, and this is Language Booster TV, the YouTube channel which helps you to learn three languages. Yes, those languages include Kinyarwanda, English, and Kiswahili. Today, we are on lesson number 5. The program is Learn English. Learn English. We are going to talk about what we are doing right now using present continuous tense. Ngo ikaze ku isomo ry'uno munsi ni Language Booster TV, umuyoboro wa YouTube kugezaho amasomo kwigisha indimi eshatu: Ikinyarwanda, Icyongereza ndetse n'Igiswahili. Isomo rya gatanu muri gahunda ya Icyongereza, tugiye kwiga kuvuga ibyo urimo ukora. Kwiga kuvuga ibyo urimo ukora dukoresheje igihe twita indagihe. Indagihe y'igikomezo. Indagihe y'igikomezo muri rurimi rw'Ikinyarwanda, present continuous tense. What are you doing, John? I'm learning English on phone. Ndi kwiga Icyongereza kuri telefoni. If you have not subscribed right now, subscribe, click on the bell icon, click on all notifications so that you can get notified as soon as the new video is uploaded here. Remember to like our videos if it helps you, if you get anything from it. Remember to share this video to your friends who need to learn English or Kinyarwanda as well. Yes. Comment. Tell us where can we improve. Tell us where can we adjust. Tell us which lesson do you want to learn. Tell us what method you want to learn one of these languages. Feel free to write. You can write in a comment, or if you want, you can comment, or you can contact us via WhatsApp number that is on your screen, that is shown on your screen. Yes. Without taking too much time, let us start. Sometimes you can be asked what you are doing right now. You can also need to talk about what you are doing right now. In this case, you will need to use present continuous tense. How do we form present continuous tense? There is a lesson that I have prepared. You can get it in the notification in the description of this video, which teaches you this tense, present continuous tense. How do we form it? It is simple. You just put the verb to be in the present simple, then you add the verb, the action verb, the verb that describe the action you are doing right now, and this verb should be in ing form. You should take the verb, the stem of the verb, and you add ing form. If it is eat, it is eating. If you have to go, it is going. If it is the verb to do, it is doing. If it is the verb to work, it is working. Yes. Right. This is what we call present continuous tense. And remember, you have to use it to talk about the activities you are doing at the moment of speaking. Right now, as I am speaking. For example, I am teaching English on YouTube. Right now, I am teaching English on YouTube. So in this video, you will learn to use this tense in real conversations. ni real conversations. We not pay attention on the structure, rules governing the structure of present continuous tense. Rather, we focus on meaningful sentences you may need to help you speak faster English. To speak English faster. Yes, this lesson will allow both Kinyarwanda and English speakers to learn the language they prefer fast. Maybe you are a Kinyarwanda speaker and you want to learn English. This lesson is here for you. And on the other side, you can be English speakers. You can be English speakers and you want to learn Kinyarwanda. This video can also help you. Right, isomo riraza kugufasha kumenya kuvuga ibintu ibikorwa urimo ukora. Ubu tuvugana uri gukora iki? Gerageza umbwire ubundi muri video. None umara kwiga isomo muri comment umbwire ati ubu tukuvugana ndi gukora ibi, ndi kugira ntya, ndi kwiga, ndi gufura, ndi kwandika, ndi kumesa, ndi guteka. Ibyo bikorwa uri kuvuga uri gukora aka kanya nibyo ugomba gushyira muri present continuous tense. Navuga ko present continuous tense tuyikora gute? Urafata verb to be, auxiliary to be uyishyire muri present simple, ubwo ni I am, you are, he is, she is, it is, we are, you are, they are. Iyo ni verb to be muri present simple. Don't know if nimaze gufata iyo verb bitewe na subject yabanje. Ufata ya verb none yikubiyemo igikorwa uri gukora. Ukaba ari yishyiraho ing form. Ufata infinitive yayo ugashyiraho ing form. Turi kumwe? Yes, niba verb ari ukurya, it is eat. Remember ko nakubwiye verb 50 ugomba gufata byibura z'ingenzi zikunze gukoreshwa mu Cyongereza. Genda wongere uzirebe nicyo zisobanura niba utazisobanukiwe. Cyangwa se iyo wakenera kumenya ikisobanuye mu Cyongereza nayo wayimbwira nkayikubwira. Niba ari ukurya, it is eat. Urafata eat wongeraho ing. Tuvuge ngo iki? Eating. Niba ari I, uravuga ngo iki? I am eating. Ndi kugira gute? Ndi kurya. Mu Kinyarwanda bavuga ati aka kanya rwose ubu ndi kuvugana umpamagaye ndi kurya. I am eating. So I welcome you to today's lesson. So stay in touch, watch until the end. Remember to subscribe, like, share, and comment as well. We need your comments. Why do I insist on a comment? Through comments, you can tell me, you can ask me any question. Through comment, you can clarify where you have not understood. Through comments, you can suggest the video, the lesson you want to study. You can suggest the way you want to study, the method. Some prefer to learn English in pure English. Others prefer to learn English through translation in the mother tongue. So you can suggest the method of learning. Which one help you more? Tell me in a comment. You can also tell me the words, motivating words, inspiring words, the words that make me be motivated, that makes me motivated, that can motivate me. Like also shows me that you are interested with what we do, and I also be motivated. Comments. Yes, you can share. If you see this video is helpful, maybe it can be helpful to your friend. You can share this video. Right. Nababwiraga ko utakwibagirwa gukora subscribe n'umutarabikora ugakora like. Ibyo biradufasha kugira ngo tumenye ibyo dukora mu by'ukuri mu biha agaciro. Share wasangiza abagenzi bawe ubonye ino video ari ingenzi. Muri comment rero naho watubwira icyifuzo, ikibazo, igitekerezo ndetse n'isomo rishya wifuza kwiga, ukaba natubwira n'uburyo ki wifuza kuryigamo. Hari abakunda kwiga Icyongereza mu buryo bwo gutranslatinga no mu Kinyarwanda, akavuga ati interuro mbese nko kumaze imisi mbikora, iyi interuro ivuze ngo iki mu Kinyarwanda, nkayivuga mu Cyongereza nkishyira mu Kinyarwanda. Ariko ni n'abakunda kwiga mu rurimi ruri pure utiri uvangara uturi translate ruhindura mu rundi rurimi niba ari icyongereza ukagiga mu cyongereza. Ubwo rero urandika muri comment umbwire ni ubuhe buryo nakoresha ukiga kandi wumva mu by'ukuri wishimiye iri somo. Abantu bakunda gutanga negative comments and discouraging comments, abantu bakunda gutanga ibitekerezo bisenya umuntu kugira ngo bimwubake bikamusenya kabagambire gusenya. Abanyarwanda ako kantu bakunda kugera abanyarwanda benshi ako kantu bakunda kukagira, gasanga kugira ngo ubwire ati aha courage ahangaha ariko wagabigenje gutya wagakosoye gutya, ahubwo akasanga kubisema akajambo katari sawa. Mu by'ukuri ntabwo biba bikwiye nk'umuntu mu by'ukuri wihesha agaciro. Okay, reka twe gutinda, let us start. Wakwibaza ushaka kuvuga ngo ndi kurya ibitoki, ndi kurya ibishyimbo, ndi kurya mu byandi magambo, ndi kurya wabivuga ngo iki? Ndi kunywa amata, ndi kunywa amata in English wabivuga ngo iki? Ndi kwiga icyongereza wabivuga ngo iki mu cyongereza? Turi kuririmba wabivuga ngo iki? Ari kwandika ibaruwa, ari kwandika wabivuga ngo iki? Iri kugwa, iyo ni imvura. Ushaka kuvuga ngo ngwino nsuresa, no, imvura iri kugwa wabivuga ngo iki? So ndi kurya ibitoki, I am eating bananas, ndi kurya ibitoki. Ndi kunywa amata, I'm drinking milk, ndi kwiga icyongereza, I am learning English, I am studying English. Turi kuririmba, we are singing. Ari kwandika ibaruwa, he is writing a letter. Iri kugwa, it is raining. So you see that the word in red are in a present continuous tense. I'm eating, I'm drinking, I'm studying, are singing, is writing. You see, we have taken the verb to be in present simple and we have added the verb with ing form, the main verb with ing form, and we make what we call present continuous tense. Muri kubona rero mu Kinyarwanda ho kugira ngo dukore indagihe y'igikomezo twifashisha inshinga kuba n'ubundi nkuko bisanzwe, tukayishyira mu ndagihe, hanyuma tukongeraho imbundo y'iyo nshinga. Niba ari ukurya ni ukurya nyine, kunywa, kwiga, kuririmba, urafata ndi, ari, turi, muri, bari, ukahita ushyiraho icyo gikorwa bari gukora mu by'ukuri ukoze icyo bita indagihe y'igikomezo. So mu indagihe y'igikomezo rero ni muri cyongereza it is present continuous tense. Birashoboka ko utarubizi ariko niko bimeze. Let us continue with other sentences. When you want to say ndi kureba amakuru wabivuga ngo iki? Ari guteka ibiryo wabivuga ngo iki? Bari kwiga icyongereza wabivuga ngo iki? Ndi kujya ku isoko wabivuga ngo iki? Ari kumesa imyenda mu cyongereza wabivuga ngo iki? Ari koga se bwo wabivuga ngo iki? So ndi kureba amakuru, I am watching news. Ari guteka ibiryo, she is cooking food. Ari kwiga icyongereza, bari kwiga icyongereza, they are learning English. Ndi kujya ku isoko, I am going to the market. Ari kumesa imyenda, he's washing clothes. Ari koga, she's bathing. Yes. Let us learn this. Let us try to put in a conversation and try to apply it. We have one person who is called Anita and another person who is called Benita. Anita ashobora kubaza Benita ati mama wawe ari kugira ngo Benita akamusubiza ati ari gukubura. Ubwo amubwiye ibyo arimo, sibyo? Amubwiye ibyo ari gukora, ari gukubura. Turaza kureba uko twabivuga ibintu mu cyongereza. Hanyuma Anita akabaza akabwira Benita ati Benita none se wowe uri gukora iki? Benita uri gukora iki? Benita akamubwira ati ndi gukina n'inshuti zanjye. Ese aya magambo twavuga ngo iki mu cyongereza? Mama wawe ari he? Ari gukubura. Benita uri gukora iki? Ndi gukina n'inshuti zanjye. Mu cyongereza aya magambo tuzayavuga ngo iki? Where is your mother? Mama wawe ari he? Where is your mother? Benita said, she's sweeping. She's sweeping. Ari gukubura. She's sweeping. Ari gukubura. Benita, what are you doing? Uri gukora iki? I'm playing with my friends. Ndi gukina n'inshuti zanjye. So the word in red are in present continuous tense. Urabona ko amagambo ari mu mutuku ari mu ndagihe y'igikomezo. Tuyikoresha iki gihe rero tugikoresha tuvuga ibikorwa biri kuba aka kanya igihe turi kuvuga. Ubu tuvugana ni igiki kiri kujya mbere, ni igiki kiri gukorwa. Ese nkubaze ubu turi kuvugana, ubu uri kureba iyi video, uri gukora iki? Ni iki kiri kuba, ni iki uri gukora? Tell me using continuous tense. Bwira ukoresheje present continuous tense. For example, you can say, I am learning English, I am washing clothes, I am doing homework, yes, you can tell me using continuous tense. So you see, continuous tense is used to talk about activities that is still going on at the time of speaking. Mu gihe tuvugana, ubu tuvugana ikiri gukorwa ni igihe ki uri mu biki subundi. Try to apply this conversation in your daily life. Mu buzima bwawe bwa buri munsi gerageza gushyira mu bikorwa iri somo n'iki kiganiro twise. Okay, let us see the most used expressions with present continuous tense. Tugiye kureba imvugo zikunze gukoreshwa zirimo present continuous tense. Imvugo dukunze gukoresha mu buzima bwa buri munsi. Iyo ubwiye umuntu ati I am waiting, cyangwa ati I am waiting. Okay. Iyo bishatse kuvuga iki? I'm looking forward. I'm lying. I'm joking. I'm sleeping. He's scanning you. I'm suffering from hunger. When you say I am waiting, imvugo zumva benshi bayivuze. Okay, I'm waiting. Yes. I would like to visit you on Sunday. Okay, I'm waiting. I'm waiting. Ndategereje. I'm waiting. Ndategereje. I'm looking forward. Mbihanze amaso. I'm looking forward your visit. Mbihanze amaso uruzinduko rwawe. I'm looking forward my graduation day. Mbihanze amaso umunsi wanjye wo gusoza amashuri. I'm looking forward your result. Kana kajambo dukunze gukoresha dusoza n'ibaruwa. Hahandi uvuga ati mbaye mbashimiye mu gihe ntegereje igisubizo cyanyu. I'm thankful as I'm looking forward for your feedback. Yes, looking forward. I'm lying. Shakuri kuganira n'umuntu. Maybe you are conversing with someone and they say, I'm not. I'm lying. It is not true. I'm lying. Ndiko kubeshya. I'm joking. Nikiniraga cyangwa se ndi gushyenga. Nikiniraga. I'm sleeping. Ndi guhunyiza cyangwa se ndi gusinzira. I'm sleeping. He's scanning you. Aragushuka cyangwa se ari kukuryarya. He's scanning you. I'm suffering from hunger. Inzara iranyishe. I'm suffering from hunger. Inzara iranyishe cyangwa se ndi kuribwa n'inzara, ndi kwicwa n'inzara. Inzara iranyishe. I'm suffering from hunger. Another expression, I'm applying for. Aka kajambo nako gakoreshwa igihe nka title y'ibaruwa. Iyo turi kwandika ibaruwa y'umutegetsi, umutwe kenshi kunze ko yari nko gusaba, harimo gusaba akazi, gusaba ikintu runaka. I'm applying for teaching job. Ni gusaba akazi ko kwigisha, gusaba akazi ko kwigisha. I am applying for teaching job. Ni gusaba akazi ko kwigisha. I'm still searching. Ndacyashakisha cyangwa se ndacyashakisha. Ndacyashakisha cyangwa se ndacyishakisha. Tuno tugambo ugomba kumenya dukunze gukoreshwa mu cyongereza turimo present continuous tense. Dear viewer, here we have application. We have mother and daughter. Would you help me to chop these vegetables? Ese wamfasha gukata zino mboga? Would you help me to chop these vegetables? So daughter says, no, I'm doing a homework. Oya, mama, ndacyakora umukoro, ndi gukora umukoro. teacher ku rundi ruhande dufite teacher please submit your works. Mwarimu acabwira abanyeshuri ati muzane impapuro zanyu, muzane umukoro wanyu. One student can say, excuse me sir, I'm still doing, ndacyakora. Nyihanganira mwari, ndacyakora. So you can apply there's a distance in your daily conversations. So we have a notice. Remember that when I say it is to mean I am. You, it is you are. He is, it is he is. No one nakase kuriya ntibiza cyangwa ukagira aho bisoma bimeze kuriya ujye umenya icyo bashatse kuvuga. You, his or she's or its or its. Ni impine za verb to be. So thank you very much for watching this video. Let us meet next time in the next video. Reka tuzasubira ikindi gihe kandi wakoze kureba video yacu. I hope you have subscribed. Ndizera ko wakoze subscribe. I hope you have liked our video. Nizere ko wakunze video yacu wakoze kuri like. I hope you are going to share it to your friends. Ndatekereza ko ugiye kwisangiza bagenzi bawe. I hope you were going to comment where you need clarification, suggestion, questions, or motivation words. Nizere ko ugiye kutwandikira tubwira icyifuzo, ikibazo, igitekerezo ndetse ni n'amagambo yo kudutera akanyabugabo. Great. So see you again.